All right, step back, step back. All right, so we're gonna get rid of that triangle. We're gonna get rid of it, and it's gone. Now step closer, nice and easy. Nice and easy, nice and easy, and we stop, we change gears, and oh, doesn't look that bad, does it? Through the eyes of the camera, we can see the difference here as far as what's taking place. So, boom, boom, beautiful. See the intake there? Where it's breathing from, where the fire's breathing from? So you can see that low, it's low on the neutral plane. You can see it's getting closer and closer to ignition.
Yeah.
So let's come over here, let's look on the bollard. So you see the ocean currents there, the convection currents.
The currents are amazing on that.
Yeah, I mean the image enhancement and just the heat. You're seeing so much heat, and you're seeing the importance of reach of the stream, not to be in that environment. And there it happened. So we could tell it was coming, right? And that's. So that's from a fire that started in the garage. It's extending up to the second floor. And also, it shows you which way you're gonna go, left or right. You look here, you look through the eyes of the camera, you know you're going right. So, and the importance of protecting that staircase. That's from a fire that started in the garage. Now scan over real slow, come over to the staircase. We come to the staircase, there's everything traveling up. And visually, smoke. You know, you just have a bunch of smoke. But through the eyes of the camera, you can tell where to kill it. So you'd say that front door is on fire, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah.
What you saying, Bill?
All right, there it is. I mean, 100% you'd say that front door is on fire. And you look at it, you can't tell.
All right.
I mean, it just shows the importance of sizing it up with the thermal camera. Man, it's beautiful. Wow. We are getting set up for our Max Firebox Phase 2 Burn and Learn at the Texas Instructors Conference. So we're all set up, getting ready to right there burn and learn. We have all our thermal cameras ready to go. We're going to bring fire behavior and thermal imaging definitions to life with right there the Max Firebox Phase 2. Made in the USA, engineered to last, named after my son Max. Hope you all are doing good, and thank you for checking us out. Take care, y'all. So big difference there. We're changing that second floor. We're really changing conditions there. Look at the smoke. Look at what it is. And now, there it is.